Alright guys, so welcome to the FullStackSDET channel. So in this video, I'm going to talk about another method, that is click method. So click method is basically responsible for performing the click action on any web element, right? Let's say if you are hitting any like login button or any other web element on the UI, so we can use click method. So basically how it works is like basically we can identify the path or the element, and then we just have to like perform the click, right? So let us try to use the same code as the previous example. So I am using this source demo like website, and over here I'll just try to find the XPath code. I'll try to find the XPath for this login button over here, right? And I'll just get the XPath. Okay, I have this ID, so I'll just try to use this by.id. And once I get this, I can directly perform the click, right, using this. So let me quickly run this. It should actually enter the username, password, and now it should perform the click. All right, so it has performed the entry and now it has performed the login. So it is working fine, right? All right, so this is one way of performing the click, and another way would be like in this approach, right? So in that approach you have to implement. So I'll just capture this login button. It's a login btn, and using this login btn, I'll just perform the click, right? So it should do the same job of performing the click. All right, so it has been launched the system website and it has performed the login, right? So it has worked fine. So similarly, like we can interact with any web element on the web page. So let's say if we are targeting to perform any click on like login button, logout button, or any other button that we have on the complete UI, right? So let's say we are targeting to perform click on this add to cart, right? Then we can use XPath or any other web element locator strategy to identify it. And once we identify, we can perform dot click operation over here, and it will do the job, right? So how it is working manually, so similarly it will be working. So anywhere if you want to perform the like click operation, you can directly select that web element, and using that dot click method, so we can perform the click operation, right? So this is how the click method works. So that's all in this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.